Hello everyone! Today I going to answer very important comments I received here on the channel. How to report every environmental green to IBAMA by phone? Many people see something wrong but don't know where to start. We give you the exact roadmap. The most direct is the IBAMA Ombudsman Green Line. The number is 0800061 8080. It's free and operates from Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Outside of the hours or in case every urgent flagrant offense, the idea is to call the military police direct 190 for you reports not due to be archived. You need to be specific before calling. Read down the location, address, landmark, or coordinates the crime. What is happening? Is it deforestation, animal traffic, burning, or pollution? The perpetrator, if you know what it is or have the license plates, every vehicle inform us as well. Many are a friend every representative. Know that you can make an anonymous or confidential report. And in the confidential report, IBAMA knows what you are to give you feedback, but your data and protected by law. It is never revealed to the person report. Don't let crime go unpunished. If the phone is busy, use the Fala.BR website, which operates 24 hours a day. And to close here, you coding tip report it not just write it does or produce what preserves the environment for future generation. Silence is of the greatest ally. Was this video helpful? The review I like and sharing it in your groups. Let's spread this information to protect our fauna and flora. Until next time.